Being horny is natural and not inherently wrong or sinful. It's a positive sign when married partners frequently feel horny for each other. Prolonged arguments can reduce sexual desire in marriage. Both men and women experience horniness, with women sometimes feeling especially aroused during ovulation. Men often wake up feeling horny, and it's beneficial for wives to respond to their husband's arousal. Overwhelming horniness can disrupt daily functioning, which is why marriage offers a healthy outlet for sexual release. Long-distance marriages pose challenges when partners feel horny, but phone flirting can help maintain intimacy until they reunite. Rejection during moments of horniness can be deeply painful, as it feels like a severe form of rejection. Women may experience increased horniness before menopause, becoming more sexually assertive during this time. Horniness reminds us that sex is an act of love beyond procreation. Being a devout Christian doesn't preclude one from being horny, sexual, and sensual. Addressing and releasing horniness is essential for marital harmony, as ignoring it can lead to irritability. Contraceptives can impact a woman's level of horniness, and a negative view of one's spouse can diminish sexual desire. Horniness should be directed toward one's spouse rather than leading to infidelity or inappropriate behavior. Aging might tempt individuals to seek younger partners to fulfill their sexual desires, but this should be avoided. It's crucial to control horniness to prevent it from leading to lust and unethical actions. Thanks for watching.